Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will actually show you an alternative to Node Package Manager, which is npmjs.com. So where you actually use third-party Node.js modules to actually build out web applications. So there is an alternative website to npmjs. You may say it's a great alternative. So the name of the website is skypack.dev. So if you directly write on Google and type right here skypack.dev, the very first link which comes right here. So you can see it is saying search millions of open source JavaScript packages. But the nice thing about this this website, which actually differs from npm.js, that you not only have the capability to search thousands of open source packages, but also it has ready-made CDN links which pre-compiles the JavaScript. You no longer need to install the modules. It basically gives you the link right here. You can see that it gives you the link of this node package. You can directly include this in the browser. You no longer need to install the module inside your local machine. You can directly include the links right here. So this makes it really easy because you no longer have to use the npm I command for each and every package. You can directly include this. So let me show you how this is really easy. You can simply make you only need index.html file. You no longer need to create a package.json file, the standard way of installing Node.js modules. So you no longer need that. You just need a single index.html file. And right here in the script tag, you just need to type this type is equal to module because it's a ES module. So basically it converts all the each and every module that you find on npm.js. It basically converts it into a CDN link. It basically gives you a CDN link of that module. So let's suppose we actually search for a package here, which we'll take an example of Axios. So it's a HTTP client for actually data fetching from a REST API. It's a very popular package. Almost 42 million downloads are there. So if you want to use this module without having to install any npm package, you can directly include the import statement right here, and we can import Axios from. So this is the way here. You need to copy this portion, https cdn.skypack.dev. So this portion is common, and after that you need to replace the package name. So whatever package you are targeting, so we'll simply say Axios. So now after writing this line, Axios library is available to you. So you can just see I haven't installed any library. I haven't actually executed any command. This is simple index.html. It runs in the browser directly. So after that, you can actually make a simple post request or get request. You can make a request to any third-party API. So let me take an example JSON placeholder. So let me just make a simple get request using Axios, paste it. So this will actually return the promise response. You need to convert this into, and then it will have the data. So if I now try to run this in the browser, you will actually see if I go to inspect element, it is saying response.json is not a function. I think I made a mistake here. Let me just use chat GPT for this. Axios, make a get request to. Okay, in Axios you no longer need to actually convert that into JSON. It is already available. So you can actually make a GET request. You will see you are making a JSON placeholder. You are getting the data, response data. Let me just show you. If I go to inspect element, and if you see, we got an object right here. So you can see this is a proof that the library is working. So this is actually a great alternative to npm.js. We haven't created package.json. We haven't created node modules folder. We directly are using this module. So it provides you with this CDN link. So if you try to open this link in the browser, it will actually give you the actual library which it is loading from that CDN. You can see that. So this CDN is provided by Skypack, and basically it is fetching this library which is minified. So this library is optimized and minified. So whatever CDN links that you are getting from this website are truly minified, and you can use them in production applications. Let's suppose I want to use another Node.js module for actually fetching the YouTube video thumbnails. So you can use any third-party package of, you can explore any package. Let's suppose I want to use this package which actually fetches the thumbnail of a particular YouTube video. So right here, I will once again follow the same practice. First of all, this portion is common cdn.skypack.dev. After that, paste the package name. So after this, we will simply be pasting the YouTube video link right here. So you can just console log it. So if you now check, it will actually gives you all the links. You will see that. So it is giving me all the links right here. The default thumbnail, high resolution thumbnail, medium thumbnail, standard definition thumbnail. So all these thumbnails are being fetched of this particular YouTube video. So you can just see, guys, how this is actually the power of Skypack. You no longer need to execute those repetitive commands for each and every package. You need to first of all write npmi, then npmi. You can directly include these links. This will save you a lot of time, and the productivity of your work will also increase by using Skypack. So for short little application, something, if you are developing a single page application right in the browser itself, you no longer need to use Node. You can directly use it, a single index.html. You can use any third-party Node modules that you want to make your application. You can just visit the website of that module, simply copy the name and just paste it. This portion will remain constant, and after that you need to paste the module name, and then you can use any module that you want to use. So one such module is Lodash, which is a very popular module which is used. Almost 41 million downloads are there. So in the same way, you can import this, import Lodash from. So now after you get this, you can use Lodash methods right in the browser itself. So there is just chunk method. We need to divide this array. So each array will contain 2 elements. So if I see the result in the browser, you will see it has created 3 arrays. So now the Lodash library is perfectly working. So you can just see I am using 3 different packages at the same time without having to actually create any package.json file or anything. So this was a very good website or good alternative to npm.js. The name of the library website is skypack.dev. So here you can explore each and every package and directly use it in the browser. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.